To lock apps on Poco C75, start by opening Settings. Now go below into Apps, and when you are here, you will have to go into App Lock, but if it's not available right here, you can also go to Manage Apps and select App Lock from this place. Now you will have to click to turn on, and you will have to create a password with a pattern, but also you can change it and get PIN or password. So this is your choice. In my case, I would like to get this simple pattern, draw it one more time and click Next. Right now we can additionally sign to the Xiaomi account if you forget your password, but in my case I'm not gonna do this right now, so I'm just gonna skip this one. And now click to use App Lock. You can also use your fingerprint. There we go. And here you can lock any application or unlock any application. So now I'm gonna quickly show you. I'm just gonna lock only the Mi browser. And now if I want to open the Mi browser, I will have to input my screen password.